Unbox Therapy presents the futuristic Mercedes-Benz Vision PHEV concept car with a stunning 65-inch rollable TV that comes right in front of the passenger. Described as a dream car with over 400 LED lights and a unique alloy beam paint that changes with the environment, this car is a marvel of design. It features transparent tinted glass, facial recognition for entry with no handles, and a screen to display passenger names like a luxurious taxi. Inside, custom-designed chairs shaped in a loop or figure 8 evoke a futuristic condo vibe with zero-gravity seats enhancing comfort.
Here just seems so clean and ultra-modern.
Unbox Therapy tells about Mercedes' plans to release the actual Vision Vive next year, offering family and luxury tech versions, continuing the innovative vision.
Apparently next year they're going to be coming out with the real thing.
Well, that's around 15 minutes saved. See you next time.